of me is ZTE Blade V70 Max, and today I would like to show you how you can use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard. Now click on Clipboard at the top on the left and use this switcher, if it's not already blue, next to show the clipboard on your toolbar to make it accessible from top section of your keyboard. Then you can click add new clip right away and add whatever you want to your clipboard. Hit save and tap on it to paste it. But you can also just copy or cut any text. And to paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard and tap on your text here. To pin it, click on pin icon on the left. You can unpin it the same way. To delete it, tap on pin 1 on the right. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. To go back to your keyboard, you can either click on this arrow at the top left corner twice, or this keyboard icon at the top right one. If you don't have your clipboard here, click on this icon at the top left corner and look for it here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!